Need some fun and escape? Studio Creator Video Maker Kit is the perfect tool for you. It includes everything you need to take your videos to the next level. The kit includes one ring light with 3 LED light modes, one tripod with adjustable aid, one phone holder, one green screen, and one complete guide. Tips number 1. Find out advices. 8 backgrounds, stickers, and even project pages to prepare your videos. Discover 3 light modes: white, natural, and warm, to adjust the light as you wish. The phone holder is compatible with most smartphones. Set up your phone and hang the green screen on the wall. Tips number 2. Download your favorite editing app to start your videos and discover all the possibilities of background you can get. 3, 2, 1, let's go! Need a break? Adventures! Sports! Or sensations? Cooking? Red carpet star? Or rock star? Superheroes! Or needing help? Your imagination has no more limit to create videos like a pro. Have fun and share your videos on TikTok, YouTube, or Instagram. Guaranteed effect!